Good morning, friends. We are ready for Sunday, number 52. Whoa! All right, let's go ahead and read our sounds. Sh, k, I, oo, or, w, o, ear, ah, a, ch, eh, oi, a, qua, ar, all, oi, a, o, I, e, I, u, ow, j, aw, a, ch. All right, and we're going to spell some sounds. So show me the ear sound. What three letters make the ear sound? All right, that is E-A-R. Good job. And the ow sound, as in cow. O-W. Okay, show me the j sound three ways. You can do it 1, 2, 3 ways. We've got J, G, and D-G-E. Good. All right. A long O at the end of the word, like cow. How? We've got O-W. Long A in the middle of the word. So we've got A, and the consonant E. Or we've got our new one, A-I. And then A at the end of the word. That is A-W. Very good. All right, we're ready to read our words. Here we go. Sight words. Some, says, against, want, again, any, come, have, been, give, live, could, would, very, should, and braid, faith, flare, saint, snail, drain, rain, frail. Faint, painter, brain, train, pale, railroad, maintain, repair. Sunset, subway, all compound words, hot rod, webcam, dustpan, Batman, corncob, eggshell. Suntan, pigpen, cannot, popcorn, hot dog, baseball, lipstick, dishpan. Hubcap, backstop, forgot, sandman, windmill, freshman, softball, armpit. We had a smooth ride in the airplane. Look before you cross the railroad tracks. Wait for the paint to dry before you sit there. Chain the skiff to the boat dock. And we're going to spell our words. Okay, the first word is nearby. Okay, you say it, nearby. Let's segment it, nearby. Let's spell it, E-R-B-I. So we have near, n, and then ear, and then by. Our next one, stain. You say it, stain. We spell it, S-T-A-N. Good. The next word is nice. It has the soft C, nice. N-I-C-E. Sight word, again, you say it, again. Go ahead and write it, again. We have jigsaw, you say it, jigsaw. We spell it j-i-g-s-aw, jigsaw. All right, and then crow, you say it, crow. We spell it k-r-o, crow. Okay, hail, you say it, hail. We spell it a-o, hail. All right. The next word is lunge. It's got a soft G, you say it, lunge. We spell it lunge, lunge. Okay, our next word is a sight word, against. So it's like the word again, and then we add a st at the end, against. Good job. All right, our next word is soaking. You say it, soaking. We spell it s-o-k-ing. Think of the 3 letters that make that ing sound. Go ahead and write it. Just get rid of my words here. So we have soaking. All right, our next word is teardrop. Compound word, teardrop. You spell it e-r-d-r-op. Teardrop. Good job. All right, our next word is drain. You say it, drain. We spell it d-r-ain. Go ahead and write it. All right, drain. Okay, our next word is price. You say it, price. We spell it ice. Ice. Good. Our next word is a sight word, was. You say it, was. Go ahead and write it, was. Our next word is paw. You say it, paw. We spell it ah. Ah. Okay. All right. We have one more sight word, very. You say it, very. Go ahead and write it, V-E-R-Y, very. Okay, we have our sentences. So the first one starts with a name, and it is Lance will clear the snow. You repeat it, Lance will clear the snow. 5 words, go ahead and write it. Make sure you have a capital at the beginning and punctuation at the end. All right, here we go. Lance will clear, the snow. Good. And then the next one is draw the lines for the bases. Repeat it. Draw the lines for the bases. 6 words. Draw, that has the "ah" in it. The lines for the bases, that has the "is" at the end. Nice job. Give yourself a round of applause. And we're ready to learn our new sound for today. It's as in shirt. And it looks like this. So it's not ER, even though it sounds like it's IR, because it's in the middle of the word instead of at the end. So here's some examples. Let's read them. Bird, girl, first, thirst, dirt, shirt, birth, third. And we're going to practice writing a few of these. So our first word we're going to practice is girl. You say it, girl. We spell it G-R-L. Okay, so G-I-R-L. Very good. And the next one is first. You say it first. We spell it first. First. The next word we're going to practice is birth. You say it birth. We spell it B-R. B-earth. Okay, our next word is third. We are in third grade. You say it third. We spell it th-erd. Th-erd. And the last word we're going to practice today is thirst. You say it thirst. We spell it th-erst. Th-erst. Good job. All right, great job, friends. Kiss your brain. Have a great day.